the clock now. She is going to talk about her favorite hobby. Her favorite hobby. Right now. Start now. Start.
My favorite hobby is to dance Western dance because my dreams is to become a dancer in my future, and I like dance because there are many steps like hip hop and culturals. So I like them, and I am going for classes on online and offline in my school, and it's too interesting to learn new steps, and I'll practice every step in my home for an hour, and my sir and my dancer name is Jishnu, and he got the award of best dancer in the world, and I love Western dance, and my brother is also learning Western dance because we both of them like, and it's the best hobby and best class in my grade 4, and it's the common dance which is related to.
Super. Wow. This is what I wanted. She passed the very first test running through 1 minute continuously. That was a major step. That's a 5 marks out of 5 marks right there. The content, the style, Jishnu got the best dance award in the world. Wow. And also like brother doing Western dance, she wants to be a dancer. She's doing both online and offline class. Everything is very clear. I'm going to go with her. 9 out of 10. This is what we really need. 9 out of. Good job there. Good job. So that 1 minute is like this. Again, the part 3 of KET, they are going to test you with the 2 minutes. But this is the building block. They are going to give a picture and you have to keep talking about it. Good job. Good job. And I'm going to see you in the next round, Ilakia, with a different topic. Super. Now I am going to go with Sugan for sure. Sugan, because he needs to leave early, he has to really complete and he has to leave early. Akshara, you are going to have a load of like 3 or 4 topics, so you can mentally get ready. You're going to be all right, okay? You're going to be all right. Okay, sir. Sugan, are you ready with this? Because
Sir, yes, sir.
yeah, one thing you can do, so I'm going to pin you up here. All right. And I'm going to start this. Till I say stop, you shouldn't be doing, you shouldn't be stopping. And also filler, filler and all. Everyone else should mute your device. Everyone else should mute your device. Careful. And this is what Sugar is going to really do a topic which is very familiar to him. Look at this. Sugars. Now he's going to talk